Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some effects with a cube. So let's go ahead and go to the render tab. We'll switch out EV to cycles, and then I'm going to go with shading right here. We can go ahead and we can have the principal be SDF, but what I would say is maybe change this to volume just for the moment. And I'm going to go ahead and add in a texture. You can go ahead and add a Veroni texture if you want to, and you can go color to base color. So essentially with this, let's go ahead and change the BSBSDF to surface again, and then we'll change this to IOR. So if you go ahead and take down the roughness, you can kind of make this glass kind of look. Let's switch out EV cycles on the render engine, and we'll just render this for the moment so we can kind of get this like frosted glass. You can go ahead and alter the randomness on this just as such, kind of gives it this nice little cube look, and then you can kind of take down the roughness as well. You can improve the metallic, that'll give you kind of like a mirror. If we add the plane in the background, so as for scale, you can kind of see how this works. So it's kind of like a mirrored kind of cube kind of deal, with a little bit of see-through kind of glass. So it's almost like a one-way glass in a way. So yeah, that's the tutorial for today, and I guess I will see you in the next one. Bye.